Hi, this is Jebb Adams. I would like to ask you to please subscribe and by all means comment. Your comments are more than welcome. And if you like this video, you could also like it. Today I'm here with a Singer 500J. I have two 500Js. This one is, the serial number starts in the 900,000s. The other one, the serial number starts, it was the 119th built off the top of the list of tens of thousands. Its number is 000119. So it was the 119th built of the allotment or the issue. Anyway, what I'm going to be describing and demonstrating today is threading this machine, this 500J. And the thread will come off the spool here. It will come over to this first point, and there's no real loop or hoop or circle for the thread to go to. It's more like a hook action. You just loop it over and pull it, and it goes in, slides in. You'll see what I mean when I get to it, because I'll slow down and tell a photo, each macro, each one of them. And then from there, we'll go down to here. This is the thread, automatic thread control. These were only built on these 500s and 503s. I don't know if they were on any other 500s. I believe the German machines, both my 411 and 431G, have this as well. Anyway, at the bottom on the left is there's a slot at the bottom, so you can just take it to the bottom and pull up, and it goes right into the loop. And then you cross over to the right side here, and then there's another slot, another escape or whatever, and you slide the thread in there, and then you're down to the tension assembly and able to put the thread on in between the discs and by the check spring and on its way up to the pickup lever. So that's where we're going to start. So let me just get a little closer with the lens here. So I was trying to go in it from the front, but you got to do it from the back. So that's my excuse. That's my story. And now we're going to go down to here. And my red thread goes in the bottom. And then I cross over, and there is right there, right there's a slot. So that's where the thread has to go, and then it'll hang down. There. Okay, and here's the thread, and here is the thread guide, tension assembly thread guide. So I just let it put me in between, and I think it put me in between, well, I can't really tell, but anyway, so I bring that around to the check spring here, hold onto the top thread, pull that check string, and it's kind of tight, so I just pulled it up by hand, and I got the thread in the right place, and I got the check spring in the right place, and now I come up into this guide right here, Nice. Good. And then this down here also has a simple hook design as well. So I'll put that right in there like that, and then down in there like that. I think I gotta aim a little lower. Move the camera back a bit. Ever so much. So we have it in there. Actually, let me raise that a little bit. So there it is there. Down to there. Now we're in there. Now we have to get the thread to go there. And then down in there. I'm pointing on the screen. Never mind, I'll just get going here. So, we get the thread in. I can't see. Get it in there. And then I want to get it in there. Now comes the interesting part. And I'm not going to do the interesting part. But there, in a nutshell, is a simple, somewhat slow, somewhat macro video of threading the 500J. Please remember to like and subscribe and comment. What about your machines? Thank you for your patronage.